Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Florasway channel. Today we have the Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal for a video review. I have used several different types of gear to capture the best footage. I have tested and used a few different brands of gimbals and have found that the good gimbals make it very easy to support creativity. Now I get to test the Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal stabilizer for smartphone with a magnetic field light integrated with eye vision sensor. The ergonomic hand grip design will be appreciated by those who have experienced uncomfortable shooting sessions with gimbals that feature hand grips that are both unergonomic and too small in the hands. The gimbal is compatible with smartphones that have a width between 15.8mm and 19.8mm. The gimbal can support a maximum payload of 400 grams. This means it can easily accommodate all smartphones on the market. I tried it successfully with my Samsung S22 Ultra and the motors of the gimbal worked perfect. The iSteady M6 features a large 2600 mAh battery that is claimed to shoot up to 18 hours. That's much longer than your average mobile gimbal, which will do a good job lasting half of that. Finally, you can use the Hohem iSteady M6 and its 2600 mAh battery to recharge your phone. Because recording video is one of the fastest ways to drain your phone's battery, having the extra power from the gimbal could be the difference between getting today's shots in and having to stop for a recharge. The iSteady M6 comes with a 0.91 inches OLED status panel screen. The OLED screen is addictively bright, so you don't have to worry about struggling to read any of the text while actively using the gimbal. The Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal stabilizer for smartphone with a magnetic field light integrated with eye vision sensor is a 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphones. It comes equipped with a carrying bag and a tripod. Thanks to its built-in eye vision sensor, that eye tracking can be activated without gimbal app in all mobile apps, including the native camera app and beauty apps. Just make the gesture OK to initiate auto-tracking and make the gesture palm to stop tracking. One of the most significant upgrades of the Hohem iSteady M6 is the built-in field light. The gimbal features a light built into one arm to help illuminate nearby subject. You can have different lighting for your diverse style of filming: cold light, warp light and RGB light at your choices. The gimbal's buttons, wheel and joystick are not touch. The buttons have a pleasant tactile feel, which makes controlling your shots easy and accurate. The multifunctional control wheel is particularly impressive. It helps to control the field light brightness, the focus control and the roll axis rotation. If you press and hold the button of the multifunctional wheel, you can turn on or off the field light. If you press twice the button of the multifunctional wheel, you can roll rotation or focus control. The focus control is only available at the HOHEMNEW app. If you press 3 times the button of the multifunctional wheel, you can control the color temperature or brightness of the cold, warm light, or you can control the color and brightness of the RGB light. The Hohem iSteady M6 also comes with a dedicated smartphone app called HOHEMNEW, which allows users to control various settings and modes. This app is free on iOS and Android and easy to install. In addition to motion controls, you'll get a number of other benefits. The app has a user-friendly interface and it provides access to advanced features such as a time-lapse, motion lapse and tracking modes. One of the most notable advanced features is the inception mode, which allows users to make incredible inception effect as the pan motor can rotate 360 degrees in all directions. This mode is specially designed for creative shots. The Hohem Joy app works great with my S22 Ultra, and I have had no issues with the app. Overall, the Hohem iSteady M6 is an advanced and high-end gimbal stabilizer that can help smartphone users take smooth and professional cinematic video with ease. With its upgraded anti-shake system with a magnetic field light integrated with eye vision sensor, with easy-to-use app and various advanced features such as inception mode and control buttons, it's a great choice for anyone looking to step up their smartphone videography game. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see video like this. And finally, what do you think about the Hohem iSteady M6? Let me know in the comment section underneath the video. Thank you, bye!